Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to check in with you guys. For whatever reason, one of the more popular videos that we've done so far has been the installation and kind of initial review of this Mesa Tactical stock. It's good stock overall. However, after we've shot it, I think I've probably put 300, 400 rounds through it so far. Just kind of want to give you guys a little bit of an update, let you know how things have held up, kind of a more in-depth review of it. So anyway, first thing, obviously we're clear, nothing's in there, good to go. Just kind of give you guys a little background. This shotgun specifically, Benelli M4, actually came with this stock on it. As far as most, say, hunting shotguns, I don't have an issue with this. You know, it's a good length of pull, comfortable, nothing really wrong with it. However, for more of a tactical style home defense shotgun, I typically like a more pistol grip style stock. With that being said though, this stock, it works. I don't really have a whole lot against it. However, it's not the stock for me. A couple of primary reasons. Number one, the length of pull on it is flat out just too short, right? If I am, say I'm wearing armor or I've got a heavier coat on, something like that, wouldn't be that big of a deal. However, when I'm not, which is 99% of the time, it's too short. It's just not comfortable, especially with prolonged shooting time, stuff like that. So that's probably the number one reason that I'm not a big fan of this. Another reason is because this grip itself, although it is more comfortable on this particular shotgun than this style, it's still angled back a little too far for my personal liking. So I wish this was maybe adjustable, or you know, it was more vertical, but it is what it is. This is their design and just kind of my review of it. So anyway, that's probably number two. Another big one, and honestly probably the biggest reason, is this grip is literally just rubber overmolded. It's actually not even overmolded. It is literally just a slip-on rubber piece, and you guys can kind of see I just wiggled this a little bit and it continues to come off. It doesn't come off very easily, but what I noticed is that after I would shoot probably 40-50 rounds, it would actually come down about this far. Obviously on any firearm you don't want that to happen. However, on this one especially, down here, it allows this this palm swell, I guess for lack of a better term, to start flexing a little bit, and especially with the heavier recoil of the 12 gauge, it definitely gets magnified when you're shooting. So it's an easy fix, just push it back up there, but it's still something that you shouldn't have to worry about on any firearm for that matter. So those are really the reasons why I don't like it. There are a few that I do like, especially this cheek riser, for example. When I put this Trijicon optic on here, the SRO, it is obviously higher than what the Ghost Rings are. It's still co-witnessed. However, in order just to get quick target acquisition, this particular stock is not tall enough. I'm actually, you know, if I had this stock on there, I'm probably a little bit closer to this in order to look through the SRO. With the Mesa Tactical, I'm able to still get my actual cheek on there rather than more of my chin. So that's nice. It is a more comfortable recoil pad. It is softer, significantly softer than the stock piece here. And then I do like this sling mount. It's actually, you guys can kind of see, it's just a little ring that sticks out the side. It does still have the slot styles, similar to the standard Benelli ones. However, I do like to have just that single point attachment option there. So yeah, probably 6 one way, half dozen the other. Like I said, it's not a terrible stock, it's just not for me. So in order to alleviate that, what I'm gonna end up doing is probably swap this out with another stock. Which one? I really don't know yet. Benelli has their own fixed pistol grip style that I've been looking at. They're around $100 it looks like right now on Gun Broker. I think those are technically used, but it's a shotgun stock. You're not really gonna have a whole lot go wrong with them. The skeletonized or the collapsible stocks, the standard M4 that everybody sees, those aren't bad from what I've heard, from what I've seen. However, they're going for $350, $450. I've seen them go up to $900 or more for some unknown reason. I don't know if it's just supply and demand, if people really think that they're worth just those two pieces of plastic or worth the price of a new shotgun, but it's ridiculous. So I highly doubt I'm actually going to go to that. I did just see actually Benelli came out with a 14-inch door breacher shotgun. Again, based off the M4 platform, it's a little bit different style stock. I personally think it looks a little bit cooler. It's 5-position stock, so I might end up trying to look into that. I think the I just found it's going for around 300 bucks. So it's still a little pricey, but we'll see what we can find them for. As of right now, they're actually all out of stock from what I'm seeing as well. So we'll see what they cost when they actually come back into stock. There's another one out there as well. I believe the company's name is Panzer, or maybe that's the model. I had never heard of them before. Looks a little bit more rudimentary, but it is still, again, another collapsible stock pistol grip. So I might look into those. I think there's one or two others out there as well, but I couldn't tell you the brand names off the top of my head. Nobody that I had heard of before. So anyway, if you guys know of anybody that has a different stock, preferably something with pistol grip, adjustability would be nice, but closer to a 14-inch or so length of pull, please let me know. This is another one of those weapon systems that there really just isn't a whole lot of aftermarket support for whatever reason. If you guys know of anything, please let me know. Otherwise, please comment, like, subscribe, share, all the usual fun YouTube stuff. Again, doesn't cost you guys anything, but it really helps us out. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.